Welcome back, guys. So in the last video you had watched that how is the C++ is necessary for a programming language, or C++ is a programming language that can be used to design the softwares. In the last video we had covered the definitions and the uses of C++. So in this video I had also told you that we are going to install the C++ software in your own PC. So best of luck, guys. Watch the video in a particular manner, and don't skip any part of the video, just because if any part is missed, then your C++ software will not work properly. So guys, let's go to the computer screen and install the C++ software on PC. Welcome back, guys. So we are here to install the PC's C++ software. So follow me. Here's my browser, and I opened it. Simply type turbo C++. Just enter it. We'll go to the first link and open it. It has seen that this project has moved download the latest version of C++ from here. So we are going at the step 1, download turbo C++ 3.2 from here. Just click on it. It will open a new tab. Here we are seeing that here is the download option. We can click on the downloads and the new tab open with it downloading. I hope it's still going good. And here is the new pop-up window where you can save. Click on save file and OK. Here you can see it is downloading. Here you can see the C++ software zip file is installed. So we are going to open this file. Here we are extracting this folder. Here is the extract option. So it has been done. Yes. So now check the downloads folder in your PC. Here's it, and there's a folder Turbo C++. Go to the Turbo C++ Windows installer. Here's next. I accept the agreement. Next, and then install. It will take some time, and also the administrator permission. So click on yes, and it is going on. Here you can see that this window is installing, and launch the app program and finish it. It is as simple as you can see that these are the steps which are next, and then it's open. So I am waiting for opening it. Yes, it is opened. Here you can start Turbo C++. This is our Turbo C++ console, and I am closing all these files and all. So let's check our first program. Hash include iostream.h, hash include conio.h, void main, clear clear screen, that is, and cout hello world, and get ch. It is for resuming the window of output screen. So control F9 is the compiling process. Here you can see there's the hello world program at there.
So now I hope you can easily download your C++ software and install it in your PC. So guys, please watch my next video, and if you like this video you can save it or subscribe my channel, that is Himanshu Thakur, and please like it and tell us about how's the video, and in the comment section and the descriptions are in the box, you can see all there. So take care guys, bye bye.